Fragile X is the most common cause of inherited intellectual disability and the most common single gene cause of autism. So one of the key aspects of supporting people with Fragile X syndrome is for practitioners to actually know what it is. That would be fantastic. Often there's a sense of what is this thing? I have never heard of it before, and you're telling me I've got it. But not only that, but you don't seem to know either. So how isolating is that? I think then on top of that, it's good that people then know that Fragile X affects people completely differently. Yes, there might be some, commonalities, but I know a woman with who's fully affected by Fragile X syndrome who has a couple of master's degrees. In fact, I know 2 women who have master's degrees. So it doesn't actually affect them intellectually. They may have difficulties socially, and then there's other people who don't have speech. So there's a huge, again, big spectrum of abilities, capabilities. It's probably really important, along with Fragile X, to understand how anxiety plays out in people with Fragile X syndrome and in people who carry the altered gene. Because anxiety can often talk people into not going to appointments, to avoiding appointments. Anxiety can make decisions really difficult, because if I choose this one, then maybe it's the wrong one. It can be extremely difficult. Anxiety often needs strict routines and definite outcomes and a certain amount of preparation for change that practitioners can be aware of and therefore help. And another key aspect would be that of the multi-generational impact of Fragile X syndrome, so that about 20% of women who carry the altered gene could in fact experience early menopause, problems becoming pregnant, and also ongoing health issues. And then there's FAXTAS, which is Fragile X Tremor Ataxia Syndrome, which is a Parkinson's type condition that can affect people who carry the altered gene as well. So it can affect the whole family. So some of the strengths of people with Fragile X syndrome can be a fabulous sense of humour, a real want to engage with people, and so where there's very strong links with autism, I think that there's quite a few major differences, and one of them is that real want to have connection, to communicate with people. I guess empathy as well. Empathy is often present. People are very sensitive to other people's feelings, and that's lovely to see and work with.